more views on Facebook right now that equals more income. This is the exact strategy that is exploding pages right now. Pages are getting thousands, even millions of views, and they're turning those views into real income. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to find viral content, how to automate your posting, how to make sure that you qualify for Facebook monetization, and how to turn those viral posts into products for even more income. So let's get into it. Facebook has been rewarding creators who post content that people actually engage with. And one of the biggest mistakes that beginners are making is just guessing on what to post. But instead, we're going to use a strategy built entirely around proven to go viral content. That makes this incredibly simple, and that's why it prints views. So step one, we pick a high engagement niche. And some of the best niches that I have found for this are sarcasm quotes, motivational quotes, faith-based content, pet content or humor, and this can be cats, dogs, or a specific dog breed, and relationship truth posts. So for today's example, we're going to do relationship truths. People absolutely love these because it's so relatable and humorous. People tag their friends constantly or share it, and that equals free viral reach. So now let's pop over to my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done.
So first we go to the search bar on Facebook and we type in our keyword. For this example, I'm typing in relationship memes. We could also type in relationship truths, just relationships. There's so many different keywords that we could type in there to find pages. Then we click on pages and we want to see some of the largest pages that are active. If they have a lot of engagements on their posts, then that means that the niche is going to be validated. So I'm going to click on this one right here, 3.5 million followers, and then we can just scroll through this page and see what their activity looks like. So they're just doing very simple white images with black text. And as you can see, this book has 549 likes, 187 shares, and 43 comments. And if we scroll through, we can see that a lot of their posts are getting that level of engagement. So now what I would do is copy the URL of this page, take it over into my tool called Post Planner. And this one tool is what helped me grow my theme page to 370,000 followers in 1 year. And that is because we can sort that page's content by their most engaged content over the last year, over the last 30 days, over the past 24 hours. And now, instead of scrolling through their page to 12 months ago to find this most viral post, it's going to be pulled up right here for us. And then we can rework some of this content and put our own unique voice to it. But we have proven to go viral content right here at our fingertips. So there's no guessing what to post and what is going to work. And this is going to keep us from wasting time. Now, we never ever want to copy someone else's content exactly. So we could take this post right here and it says there are two types of people in the world. It's already 10 p.m. and it's only 10 p.m. and they marry each other. Like, this is so funny and so relatable, right? This is so my husband and me. And as you can see, a lot of other people relate to that because of the level of engagement. 44,000 likes, 5,000 shares. This is the kind of thing that people will send to their husband, send to their wife, their friend. So now to switch it up, we could say these two people always marry each other. It's 10 p.m. already. It's 10 p.m. The night's just getting started, right? So it can say the same thing, but you use different words and put your own vibe to it. And we're going to do this in Canva. I'm going to show you right now. I am going to do a black background with white text. So there we go. We have created our very own meme, quote photo, whatever you want to call it. And this is inspired by that post, but it is totally different. From the color scheme to the words that we used, it is now unique to us. And we can go to the scheduling tool inside of Post Planner. We can upload the photo that we just downloaded from Canva and do a short little caption, and then click add to queue, and that is going to queue it up inside of your Post Planner schedule, and it's going to go out in your next allotted time slot. So this tool is so awesome. You can set up your plan right here. You can research content right here, and then you can see your scheduled post right there. You can create new posts. They have tons of video tutorials inside of the software right here. And I also have a full playlist with lots of more examples of how to use this tool to really pump up the engagement on your Facebook page. So this tool is priceless, you guys. I'm telling you, do not sleep on this. Then you want to go to your Facebook professional dashboard, click on monetization, and you're going to see what you're eligible for. And you will need to request to be invited to these different programs. Now, this is just a demo page that I set up so that you can see, in order to be eligible for stars, you need to have 500 followers for a consecutive of 30 days. So let's say you are 15 days into your journey and you have 500 followers, you have to wait another 30 days in order to be eligible. And stars is where your audience can just gift you stars, and those equal money. And Facebook has a whole lot of information right here that you can just look through in order to understand exactly how stars works. But the main program is content monetization. This is where you would request and they will let you know that you're on the wait list, and then you just have to show up consistently posting, and then you will be able to earn for the views and the engagement on your post. And then we have this little advertise button right here that is how I have been growing my theme pages for many years, and that is where you can just run a very simple like ad. And this is really, you guys, as simple as it gets. And if you need help with that, I would love to assist you. This is a post from inside my Facebook mentorship group, and my student Nathaniel said, "Hey, Angie and Ben, this stuff really works. I created and launched an ad based exactly on the template and training you provided on Monday's live coaching call. And from last night to this morning, he went from 0 followers to 101 followers at 2 cents per follower." So that is the kind of results that people are getting very quickly, right? Getting 100 followers overnight. And then we also have students that have come to us with a decent amount of followers, like Lynn here started with 25,000 followers, and she was able to double her follower count to 56,000 followers in a very short period of time. And she went from a cost of 11 cents per follower, and then after attending our live coaching call, she was able to more than half her cost per follower, down to 5 cents. So sometimes a live coaching call can make the difference between growth and staying stagnant in your business. So I'm going to put the link to my program directly below in the description of this video, and I would love to see you inside of our mentorship group. We go live twice per month on Zoom, and we answer questions inside of the group every single day. Now, for the last step to turn this into double the profits from your theme page and turn this into a real business, we're going to say that this is your page, and this is one of the most engaged posts on the page. It says, "My hustle came from my mama. I never saw that woman quit." So now what we're going to do is take that saying and we're going to put it on merch, whether it's a t-shirt, a tote bag, a mug. We know that people relate to this, and so people are likely going to also have that on a product. So inside of Canva, I just made a very simple text-based template that said, "My mama gave me my hustle," and then we're going to download that with a transparent background, take it over to Printify, and put it on a product that we can share with our followers on our theme page and earn money without stocking any inventory, because Printify is going to print, pack, and ship that directly to our customers. So if you're not signed up with Printify yet, I'm going to link that directly below this video. It's 100% free to get started, and you have access to over 1,300 products and global delivery. So then once inside, we can go to the catalog, and for this example today, I'm going to do a tote bag, and this one right here is one of their best-selling tote bags. So we're going to click on this one, and then we click Start Designing. Then we go ahead and upload that onto the tote bag template. Then we can preview it on a mock-up and on a person. That looks super cool. I'm really excited about that. Then we can save the product and either publish it to our Printify pop-up shop, which is 100% free, or you can publish it to an Etsy store. Now I'm going to link directly below in the description box of this video how to set this up with an Etsy store to make sure that you have all the settings correct in order to do this properly. And then this is what the listing will look like in the free Printify pop-up shop ready to be purchased and shared over on your theme page with your followers that are already interested in this type of thing.
Now this as a system works so well because you're combining three important elements: viral Facebook reach, Facebook monetization payouts, and Printify product sales. And this is how one simple theme page becomes a real online business and digital asset. So if you want to build this step by step with me, I go much more in depth inside my full program and live coaching community where we are having so much fun and my students are getting excellent results very quickly. I'll link it down below. And if this video helped you, be sure to subscribe so you continue to get all of the gems to help you level up. I have tons more strategies coming, so be sure to stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next video.